This is my Virgin NEC. So, in 10 minutes, I'll show you how to make your BNI membership profitable. Now, everybody, we start a business. First, we put in a lot of capital, right? And we hope that we can get sales. Because sales can actually give us profit, right? So, how to get sales? First, we can hire more salesperson. If no, we can go for referral business. Now, let's look at the typical traditional referral thing. Now, imagine today I'm doing pest control called Sika Liao Senjuan Berhan, right? I was working, and then for my appointment, then I met a friend, and my friend will be Jeffrey, 10 years friend. Hi Jeffrey, how are you?
Hi Egyptian, what business are you doing now?
Oh, I'm doing pest control.
Sika Liao.
If you face any pest, termites, rats, or ants, okay, introduce those customers to me, because sure, these termites Sika Liao in my hand also.
Okay.
So, do you think that that time I'm at the selling mode? Because I just started my business, so I was in the selling mode, telling Jeffrey what I'm doing. So, do you think that Jeffrey will introduce people to me as 10 years friend? Maybe 1 to 10%. He might introduce business to me. But the question comes in is, how many times your friend will introduce business to you? A, daily. B, weekly. C, if God then refer. Or, what business are you doing again? This is what happened, right? So that's why I joined BNI. Okay? When you join BNI, we want to get referral. I found there are 2 ways. I've tried 2 ways. Number 1, I come for meeting. Okay? I say hi, bye, and see you next week. Right? This is the normal thing that I do. Or you want to do the second way, whereby I do one-to-one. Now, what is one-to-one? One-to-one is a showcase of your business. Example, I one-to-one with Jeffrey. I'll tell Jeffrey, you see, the termite in my hand, die already. This is how I terminate. Right? And another one is build relationship with him. How I build relationship, I know what Jeffrey wants, what he likes, what he doesn't like. You know, this is how to build relationship. Same thing when you go out with your girlfriend for Valentine's Day. It's the same. You have to understand more, right? And the last thing is to understand what kind of customer he wants. Okay? Imagine I refer him probably a rented property. The tenant who rent it, I introduce to him facing termite problem. But this is not what he wants. He wants the house owner who can make the decision. Okay? So the next thing is why? Why one-to-one? First thing is because we got 60+ members here. Every week we'll be meeting. And I find that this is a sales team. You all are a walking advertisement. When you go and meet customer, you tend to remember, oh, Gibson, Sika Liao, all the termites introduced to him. So you'll always remember. Or you can be a project partners. Maybe if I find there is a termite problem, okay, I could introduce to Jeffrey, or the customer would like to change the kitchen cabinet, I introduce to Jasmine, or change the flooring, I introduce to Jada. Okay? And how actually to do one-to-one. Now this is what I find out that I find out that not only dance card, the Gantt sheet is very, very important. The Gantt sheet is to know more about the other person. Dance card is to know what are you doing. Okay? And this is what I learned from IM. You request these 2 documents before meeting up. Why? Because you can prepare certain questions that you might ask during the one-to-one session. Okay? And then you set your date, time, location. Block your calendar. for my style, I love to silence off my phone. So some of you call me, I didn't listen means that I'm in a meeting because I want to respect. I spend my time to understand the other person. And when you want to get referral? Now? So do you think you can dance now? You can? Then I end my session with this. Okay? Can't read it. This is what you have to memorize. Let's read it together. Knowing is not enough, must try. Reading is not enough, must do. Thank you.